Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make high NRG music. First, let's understand its core elements. High NRG is characterized by a fast tempo, usually between 120 and 140 beats per minute. It features a powerful, driving four-on-the-floor kick drum, prominent bass lines, and energetic synth melodies. We'll explore each of these components to help you create your own high-energy tracks. Building the rhythmic foundation is crucial for high NRG. Begin with a kick drum hitting on every beat, establishing that signature four-on-the-floor feel. Next, place a snare drum on the second and fourth beats to provide a solid backbeat. Incorporate open and closed hi-hats to add rhythmic complexity and drive. Finally, consider adding a clap or other percussion on the offbeats for an extra layer of energy. Now, let's dive into the melodic heart of high NRG, bass lines and synths. Your bass line should be prominent, often arpeggiated, and crafted with a classic synth sound like a saw or square wave. For melodies, create catchy, repetitive hooks using bright, energetic synth patches. Don't forget to apply effects such as delay and reverb to add depth and a sense of space to your synth elements, making them truly shine. Finally, let's talk about arrangement and mixing. Structure your track with clear sections like an intro, verse, chorus, breakdown, and outro. Build energy gradually, introducing new elements as the song progresses to keep listeners engaged. When mixing, ensure your kick drum and bass line are powerful and clear, driving the track forward. Master your final track for optimal loudness and impact, making it ready for the dance floor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.